In this video, I'll show you how to disable Find My Device on an Android phone. So go ahead and open up your phone's settings. You'll need to look for the privacy section. Yours may be called something slightly different like privacy and biometrics maybe. Once inside privacy, look for privacy protection and underneath you should see Find My Device. As you can see, mine is currently turned off, so I'll enable it. I'll need to enter my password, wait for it to update. So if I want to turn it off, I simply toggle it off. Again, I'll be asked to enter my password. And there, as you can see at the top, it says allow device to be located, and it's currently turned off. So yeah, that's how you disabled Find My Device on an Android phone.